Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about a tea called Heal All Tea. Now, Heal All Tea is a really awesome tea. It's called Heal All because really it heals all. But what is really powerful about this and how you can use it effectively to help you heal yourself. I'm talking about heal yourself of all things that are bothering you, that you deem impossible to get over. You want to make use of this. Of course, you first have to go on a detox plan. That means fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Very often a 20-day to 30-day grape fast or lemon fast. And then you combine it with the Heal All Tea twice a day. And you're going to see some amazing things happen. The Heal All Tea, the main thing it does is that it removes lymphatic obstruction. Now, if you understand that, you understand what I'm trying to say. Lymphatic obstruction is the cause of all the major issues humankind is getting into in terms of the health of the body, okay? When the lymphatic system is stagnant or is obstructed, the acids from cells and the foods you eat cannot get out through the kidneys. So they back up and they tend to eat the cells and tend to cause degenerative conditions, okay? You get very serious health issues. If you use something like a Heal All Tea with the detox plan, you're gonna get the lymphatic system moving. And with the kidneys filtering, all those harmful acids and all those harmful obstructions will go away. Then you have free flow of energy. It means free flow of blood, free flow of nerve, and free flow of lymph. And that's where the health is. So I hope this helped you. Something very simple. Of course, you do have to use it diligently. Usually a month of use of this with a 20, 30, 40-day grape or lemon fast is sufficient to see dramatic changes. So I hope this helps you. I hope you implement it. Any questions, feel free to ask below.